In today's video, we're taking a look at how to repair your water hose using a kit, easy and simple. This is so simple, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So in our previous video, we showed you how to fix small leaks using electrical tape. Today, we're going to use a repair kit. So you can go ahead and get your water hose and remove all that electrical tape you put in last week. Because today, we're going to look to a permanent fix other than buying a new one. And when buying this kit, remember that different water hoses have different sizes. So you want to verify that the kit and your water hose have the same number. And a few examples of sizes, diameters are 1/2 inch, 3/8, 3/4, 5/8. These are the most common. And in today's kit, we have both sides of the water hose, the male and female. And we also have a two-way male connector. This could connect a broken hose together. Or if you have a hole, you could cut it where the hole is at, remove that part and connect the other two parts. And to make all this semi-permanent, it also comes with clamps. So let's say you were in the garden one day cutting the grass and you had too many sparkling waters and you ran over something that you told your friends, family, spouse, partner, both or none, that you ran over a snake. Don't worry, here at the StatUpBox team, we believe you. But now that nobody's looking and it's just us, we all know it was the water hose. Or it could just simply be that you have a hole on the water hose and it's leaking. What you basically want to do is take your scissors and make a clean cut. Either remove the hole, puncture, damaged part, and what we're basically going to do is insert the hose on one of the sides and the other side of the hose on the other side. Always remembering placing the clamps before you place the connector, because the last thing you want after you use all that energy to put the connector is to have to take it off. And even though DIY is your gym, we don't want to do that. Once we have both connections, now we can go ahead and tighten the clamps on both sides. And now you have a repaired water hose ready to use. And now you could tell your kids, spouse, friends, family, both or none, that look at what that snake did to the water hose. Now that we gave you a vacation from visitors coming to your house, we can look at the other connector. And it's basically the same procedure as the one before. So let's say the end of your water hose is damaged or is leaking, you can go ahead and repair it as well. Once again, getting some scissors or a blade, you do a clean cut on your water hose and remove the damaged part. And calling your internal Thundercat using the strength of 10 bears, you can also use some pliers. If today you don't want to show the world how strong you are, you can insert the connector on the hose. Always remembering to place the clamp before. Now we can tighten the clamp and we're ready to use. Our last connector is also the other end of the water hose. So if in your case it's leaking, broken or damaged, or maybe none, and you just want to repair it because this quarantine has given you a lot of time in your hands, you may. At the end of the day, you are the master of the universe. And basically using the same procedure as before, always remembering placing the clamp first, then we summon all of our powers and squeeze that thing in there. We tighten our clamp and we're ready to go. And you can also use this as a connection if you don't want to use the two male connector. Now you can stand in the middle of your yard and yell out thunder, thunder, and you know the rest. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone at the StatUpBox team or someone at the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.